Jai Srimanarayana. 23rd sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yayevam vetti purusham prakrutincha gunais saha sarvadha vartamanopi न स भूयः अभिजायते. Om. Understand and always consciously remember that you are different from this Prakriti, material existence, but you are together with Prakriti. This Prakriti has three gunas: Sattva guna, Rajo guna and Tamo guna. If you have this clear comprehension, this understanding will help you realize yourself, get Atma Sakshatkaram. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always consciously remember that I am different from Prakriti and I am together with Prakriti, which has three gunas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 250th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: O Krishna, Sri Krishna Vrishnikula Pushkara Joshadayin Kshma Nirjara Dvijapasu Vudadhi Vruddhikarin Uddharma Sarvara Harakshiti Rakshasadhruk Akalpam Arkamarhan Bhagavan Namaste. O Krishna, Yadukulam, if it is like a beautiful lotus, you are the one who made that lotus blossom just like a Surya Bhagavan. Oh Krishna, you are the one who made the entire Yadukulam happy. And you are the one who made this ocean like Bhumi, Devatas, Brahmanas, cows, and all the devotees. If they are all like one big, huge ocean, you are the one who made that ocean improve, develop a lot, grow a lot. And all this Bhudevi, Devatas, your devotees, Brahmanas, cows, and the entire Srishti, if it is like one milky ocean, you are the one who came out from that ocean and made everyone happy and conferring your grace, showering your grace on this entire Srishti, just like a very pleasant blessing from moon. Oh Krishna, oh Paramatma, you are the one who removes, who dispels the darkness of ignorance and darkness of adharmam. You are the one who restricts all bad demon qualities. Oh Paramatma, oh Devadeva, as long as this entire Srishti exists, as long as the Surya Bhagavan rises and exists, Akalpam Aarkam Bhagavan Namaste, I will be constantly, continuously doing namaskaram to you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma prayed to Sri Krishna Paramatma, then Trih Parikramya did 3 times Parikrama, Pradakshina, and Padayoho Natva. He bent his body, he touched Sri Krishna Paramatma's feet, did namaskaram and left and went back to his own Satyalokam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 23rd sloka. Yayevam veti purusham prakrutincha gunais saha sarvadha vartamanopi nasabhuyobhijayate. Yayevam veti purusham prakrutincha gunais saha sarvadha vartamanopi nasabhuyobhijayate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.